back in Ocracoke. Just trying to get on some fish. Woke up at 4 a.m. this morning. It's pushing about 28 miles per hour. So it is kicking out here. Holy cow. No one's out here right now, it's just us. Today is a 10-ounce Sputnik day. My hands are cold. So right now it's high tide. The tide is coming in right now. Rag? I forgot where I put mine. Oh, I got it, dude. Dude, look, they're waiting, man. The birds know. The wind is blowing this way. All right, and we're right here, so our rollers are like this. So we'll give this spot like an hour. All right, if this don't work out, we'll head down there and we'll see what happens. Down there should be good too, but this is where we catch all our fish. So we'll see, but conditions have changed, so we'll just see what happens. Or maybe not. We should? Oh. Matt, we might need to move. We might need to move. I'm moving. My line is moving, dude. So we switched spots and now the wind is towards our back right now, so a little bit better, guys. Still super windy, but better than blowing left to right. So all right, guys, so we didn't catch anything at Ocracoke, so we came back to Hatteras, and ramp 38 is looking weird, but we're gonna give it a shot. There's a long shelf running around here. I don't know what happened, but that's what we're working with right now. When you cast, just be careful.
What?
Just something is behind us.
Who is it?
Just this thing's behind us.
What is it?
You know, when you cast. This truck. Did you drop your rod? Oh, I thought you dropped your rod, man. Alright guys, so kind of a crazy scenario. Well, not really, but it's just super windy out. We've been moving to so many different spots. We made it back to like kind of near the point, which is down there. And yeah, we've been catching some bluefish, guys. Was that good or bad, Matt? Is that awesome or not? No, I threw it right here. I've been throwing it right here.
No, you threw a little further. Look, he spit that out of the mouth.
Oh, he did, dude. That's what they're feeding on. So right here near the point, the current made like this shelf again, same as ramp 38, guys. And you can see it right here. You gotta step down right here. All right here. Is he gone? You still got him? Brandon's on something, guys. I don't know what it is, but he's on something. That's your favorite, man. That's your favorite, dude. Nice, man.
You're trying to bite me.
That's what you. Yeah, that's what you saw earlier, dude.
Yeah, keep it back.
Got it. That's the one, dude. No, dude. No. We had this really nice guy beside us catch this blue right here. And yeah, he gave it to us. People down here are really nice, guys. That's awesome, man. On. Matt's on. You got him, Matt? He's coming in. Got him, dude. Nah. Oh, it's a red, dude. That's a puppy, dude. You think that's slot?
That's slot.
That's definitely slot, dude. How long you think? If you had to guess. 18? I'm gonna say 20. 22? Nice, man. There's another blue, guys. Alright, guys, we're calling it a night. We'll pick back up tomorrow, hopefully. We got some fish.